Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make sugar cookies tasty. First, ensure your butter is softened, not melted, for the best texture. Cream together 1 cup of unsalted butter with 1 1/2 cups of granulated sugar until light and fluffy. Then, beat in 1 large egg and 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. This creates the essential foundation for delicious cookies. Once your wet ingredients are combined, gradually add your dry mixture of 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix until just combined. Overmixing develops gluten, making cookies tough. Form the dough into a disc, wrap it tightly, and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. This step is crucial for preventing your cookies from spreading too much. After chilling, roll your dough on a lightly floured surface to about 1/4 inch thickness. Use your favorite cookie cutters to create fun shapes, placing them about 1 inch apart on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden. Watch them closely to avoid overbaking. Once your delicious sugar cookies are baked, let them cool completely on a wire rack before you even think about decorating. This prevents your icing from melting or running. Now, unleash your creativity with royal icing or a simple buttercream frosting to add vibrant colors and fun designs. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your perfectly tasty sugar cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.